Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Whisk by Google Labs to transform any AI images. So first of all, you're going to have to simply launch a browser, type in Whisk by Google Labs. So as of April 2026, there has been a slight changes. So as you can see that Google has transitioned the feature of Whisk into Flow. So all you have to do is simply select the link that you see here and select Flow from there. In my case, I'm already logged in, but in your case, you might have to select Flow. It says Welcome to Flow. Select Get Started with Flow. And likewise, select New Project. Make sure that you are ready with your prompt. I have a sample prompt right here, so I'm going to type in this, then select Enter. And as I do that, this might take a while depending upon the prompt. Now exactly after 15 seconds, Flow has generated me 2 images variation for the prompt that I added. Now likewise guys, if you would like to save it, select it and simply select download from the button right here. This is how easy it is. You can type in any prompt and generate some cool AI images. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.